Hi guys, it's Shelby and Mom, or Michelle, from Farmhouse Living. Today we are talking about accent walls, yes or no, and also we're showing off Mom's really awesome herringbone wall that Justin installed a couple of weeks ago in her complete office space. So why did you choose to do a herringbone?
Well, we had this little niche that just lent to something needed to be there. So we decided to do an accent wall, and we thought some herringbone would really give it some depth and dimension. And we talked about staining it, but once it went up, we loved it so much that we just left it naturally. So this room was really just a big square box, essentially. And we just really felt like it needed something to give it some pop. And so this accent wall really does give it some depth and dimension. And like I said, the herringbone gives it texture, especially with the natural elements that we have going on here, and the deer horn chandelier, and everything just really works together to make it a fun and cozy space.
So what other spaces would you choose an accent wall for? And why do you like an accent wall? And what would you avoid in doing an accent wall?
I probably would avoid painting just one big wall because it just feels like the room's unfinished. But I definitely love an accent wall, especially in a niche area. I like it in the ceiling. That's not a wall, but I like an accent in a ceiling too, to put wood or something that gives you something to look at. Character, yes.
So if you would like a tutorial, a really great one for the herringbone is on the Shanty to Chic channel. So that's what we use, or we didn't use it. Justin used it when he was creating the space. We're not super handy, but he is. So it's a really great, easy tutorial if you are comfortable cutting some wood and working with power tools. So we will link that below. And then if you would like to see more pictures and inspiration for accent walls in this entire space, you can head over to our blog at farmhouseliving.com, and then thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe below.
Thanks for watching.